Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a sticker with me video. I'm going to be doing the BFF Sticker Club challenge, and the challenge was condiments. And honestly, that one was a little bit difficult. But Pipsticks and Passion Planner to the rescue. Those are the main things I used. This little book, it's about hobbies, and one of the hobbies was cooking, and there was this page that had a bunch of tea related items. And I know it sounds kind of dumb, but there were a few times where I was like, wait, is this a condiment? Or because I was thinking also about seasoning, so I was like, you know what, I'm not going to overthink it. But at the end, like, I found a few stickers. I had these, they come in a little box, and I wanted to use the hot dog because the hot dog has condiments, but those stickers were very old and they were dry. But I ended up using one, and then I threw out the rest. Even though I feel bad, they don't work anymore, so it is what it is. And the majority of the stickers that I use were from the Pipsticks Pro Classic subscription, and a few of them were from a kit that had rainbow colors, so each sheet was a different color, and I love that. And there was another one that had a bunch of like pantry items. I don't know why that was the thing, but it's still pretty cool. And I used a few of those, and I remember that the red one had ketchup. And I think that, not jelly, well, yeah, jelly and jam. That's a condiment, sort of, maybe. But I thought that I was going to take a long time with this video, like looking for specific items, because again, it's really hard. I don't think people usually have a condiment sticker sheet, but the fact that I had less to pick from made it actually a lot easier. And I love that book from Passion Planner. It has all kinds of hobbies: gardening, cooking, planning, traveling. And I also had some Pipsticks ornaments stickers that had hot sauce for some reason, and I knew that I wasn't going to use that in my December daily, so I added those there. And there was some chamoy. I have one, and that one's from the Fruit Classic Pro Kit. And I love these tiny ornaments, but honestly, that little hot sauce, I wasn't going to use it. But yeah, it was mostly Pipsticks, and I repeated a few. Like, I used quite a few of the chamoy because honestly, that's another sticker that I don't think I'm ever going to use. And that's where I had kind of a difficult time. But I also had some Pipsticks sheets that have seals like you would find in products or fruit, so I thought that those worked out. And more honey. And then I added more seals, and I kind of want to fill out the little spaces, so I'm gonna reach out for forks, and I'm gonna find a spoon also. And I forgot about the hot dog for a minute, but then I realized that it was super dry, so I'm gonna cut it so I can put it like on top of this title. And I use my Dymo label maker to add these titles. I can't find the one I have because the one I have has 3 wheels that you can like change. But I'll link another Dymo label maker that I own and I really like. And I wanted to also add like things to the little spaces, so I added this Naruto Maki from this noodle sheet from Pipsticks. I also added the little eggs. I know eggs are not condiments, I was just trying to fill out the spaces. And it was fine, but I do like filling out little spaces in some parts of the sheet. And this is the end result. I know it's a weird challenge, but I enjoy it. Let me know if you did this challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!